Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Today, I'm doing an easy granola recipe that's not only delicious, but will save you money. Rolled oats, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon, oil, honey, vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Separate your egg. You will only be using the white here. Beat the egg white until it becomes frothy. You're not looking for stiff peaks. After you have that set off to the side, make sure that you heat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add your 3 cups of rolled oats, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, and 1/3 of a cup of oil to the bowl. I used avocado oil, but you can use whatever oil you enjoy. Give it a good stir, trying to get the oil coating most of the rolled oats. Now it's time to add 1/3 of a cup of honey. Mix that in. Two teaspoons of cinnamon. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, add that beaten egg white. So at this point, you can add whatever nuts, seeds, whatever it is that you want to add. Just do not add dried fruit until the very end. Once you have all of your mix-ins added to it, you are going to spread it over 2 lined baking sheets. Put it in the oven at 300 for 20 minutes. Take it out, give it a stir. Put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it during those 10 minutes because granola can burn. As soon as it's out of the oven for good, go ahead and add your dried fruits in, and the warmth of the granola will kind of help them warm up and become part of the granola flavor. So I added dried cranberries here. Once it's completely cooled, which is pretty quickly, it can go into airtight containers. I just use old pasta jars. What I love best about this recipe is it's super quick, super easy, and so tasty. Much cheaper, much more economical than buying a small bag at a very high price from the store. Even when I shop at discount stores, it's super expensive. So here you can see I got 3 16-ounce containers filled. So I hope that you will give this a try. Thank you for joining me here at White Shadow Fare. Consider subscribing and hitting that like button.